A man shared on Twitter how he got the score update when India was playing South Africa at the Optus Stadium in Perth while he was mid-air in a flight. While South Africa was batting second, chasing a modest total of 133 runs, Vikram Garga inquired about the score update from the pilot, and the Indigo pilot responded by sending the score written on a tissue. India 133 for 9 and South Africa 33 for 3 in 6 overs, the pilot wrote on the tissue and sent it to the passenger. India lost today, but Indigo won my heart. Pilot sent a note mid-air when requested for score update, Garga wrote on Twitter. Cricket is not just a sport in India but a religion. The game is followed by almost everyone, especially when an ICC tournament is going on. As the T20 World Cup is being played in Australia, people are hooked onto their mobiles to keep updated with the latest scores no matter where they are. People asking others for cricket scores while traveling is an entirely common sight. However, it is not so common someone doing so while traveling in a plane. Turns out, cricket fan Vikram Garga did just that during the match between India and South Africa in the ongoing ICC T20 World Cup 2022. And now, his tweet about the response he received from the pilot is creating a buzz. The tweet has received more than 950 likes and even received a reply from the airline. "Hi, we are glad to see this. We wish to see you on board soon again," Indigo replied. "Next time I fly during a cricket match, I will insist on sitting in the cockpit," joked a Twitter user. It was Suryakumar Yadav's 68 of 40 balls that had helped India post 133 for 9 versus South Africa after skipper Rohit Sharma opted to bat first. South Africa beat India by 5 wickets as they managed to chase the 133-run target with Aiden Markram and David Miller hitting half centuries.